How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 foot and calf massager. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. Pry the retaining clip off the mounting post by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. Pry the retaining clip off the other mounting post. Lift the massager, slide it to the left off the mounting post, slide it to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose, then press firmly on the connector release tab before pulling it toward you to disconnect it. Now, let's replace it. Connect the new massager connectors. A snapping sound confirms that the connection is secure. Connect the air hose, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Slide one of the mounting brackets onto the mounting post, then replace the retaining clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Slide the other mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the retaining clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Zip the massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.